Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the logarithmic of a value. How to find the logarithmic of a value. So, in this process we have two main steps. Those are one is characteristic and another one is mantissa. So to find the logarithm of a value we have two steps, that is one is characteristic characteristic and another one is mantissa. So, how to find the characteristic and mantissa of a given value, logarithmic value? So, see here I am finding the first one, the logarithmic of value of 35.67. So, to see the characteristic, to find the characteristic and mantissa of logarithmic value, we have certain process, that is to find the characteristic of a log value is to find the scientific, to write a number in scientific notation. You have to know how to write a number in scientific notation. Scientific notation means we have to write the decimal point after one digit. So see here, I am taking the first logarithmic value, that is to find the value of log 35.67. 35.67. So to find the characteristic of this 34.67 value, first you have to take the integral part, and we have to find the characteristic. See here, we have to write this whole number in scientific notation. So how can we write this whole number in scientific notation? That means we have to put a decimal point after one digit only. So see here, point is between 5 and 6, 35.67. So decimal point is between 5 and 6, and we have to write after one digit only. This is scientific notation. So I am shifting this decimal to right side. Okay, so I am shifting this decimal to right side. Okay, so this is scientific notation. That means I have 3.567. Okay, how many digits I stepped up? So here I stepped out only one digit. So to write a number in scientific notation, we have to replace the decimal point. So you have to count. After how many digits we put the decimal point. Here we put one, after one place I put a decimal point to get the scientific notation of this number. Okay, so here the characteristic is 1, because I replace this decimal point right side after one digit. So here characteristic is 1. Now second one, see here, second one, what is that one? 9.564. 9.564. See here the decimal point is just after one digit. That means you need not convert it to scientific notation. It is just in the scientific notation. So here the characteristic is, we didn't replace the decimal point. That means the characteristic is 0. The characteristic is 0. Now take the third one. So see here, 0.785. 0.785. Here also the point is after 0, that means after one digit, but there there should be a number. So we have to replace this decimal point after 7 or between 7 and 8. So the scientific notation is 7.85. 7.85. But here we take this decimal to opposite direction. That means left hand side, right hand side. So we take this characteristic as -1. That means bar 1, bar 1, bar 1. And next one, see here, 0.0064. 0.0064. And we have to put this decimal after 6. That means that is equal to 6.4, and to write the scientific notation. After how many digits we replace this decimal point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here the characteristic is 3 bar. So if we move the decimal point to this side, then we have to take the negative characteristic. That means bar 3, bar 1, and so on. If we move the decimal point to this side, then we will take the positive number only. So in this way, we can find the characteristic of a logarithmic value. And next part is mantissa. So what is mantissa? So here, to find the mantissa, we use a logarithmic book. Here, see here, a logarithmic book. This is our logarithmic book. Okay, in this we find this logarithm. So see here, this is a logarithmic book, and here we have 10 to 54 and 55 to 99. Okay, and next we have 0, second part, that is 0 to 9. 0 to 9, second part. And third part is mean difference. Third part is mean difference. So this is our first part, and this is our second part, and this is our third part. Okay, now I am ready to find the value. What is the first value? Logarithm of 35.65. So I have to find the value 35.65. So see here, 35.65 means we have to take the first 4 digits. We have to take the first 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 35.65. 35.65. In this, first 2 digits should be taken as bar, and next this is first part, and this is second part, and this is third part. So we have to see in that part only. So see first part. What is first part? Our first part is 35. So see in logarithmic book, here 35. Okay, so I am highlighting that one. So 35. First part I take 35, and next part we should take 6. So this is our 6th part. Okay, so what this value? 35 coincides with the second part 6 value, that is 55.5514. That means 5,514. 5,514. Now see the third part, that is 7th part. Main difference is 7. So you have to take the mean difference 7. So what is the mean difference 7 here? 35 related mean difference 7 value is 9. So that value is 9, and we have to add this 9. We have to add this 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 1 2 and 5 5. That means 5523. So our mantissa is 5523. But mantissa always should lie below the 1. Below 1. So here 5540 plus 9. So that is equal to 5523. Okay. And it should always be below 1. So we have to put a 0 point. That is 0.5523. And we have to add this characteristic and mantissa. Then we get 1 plus 0.5523 is equal to, its value is 1.5523. 1.5523. Okay, so we will find the next logarithmic value, that is 9.564. And already we find the characteristic, that is 0. We find the characteristic 0. And now we have to find the mantissa value. So what are the 4 digits here? 9564. The first part is this one. So it is first part. And the second part is 6. And main difference is third part is 4. Now see here in logarithmic book. See here. So first part is 95. So here 95 is here. And next second part is 6. So this one 6. Our first part is 95. So second part is 6. And the main difference is 4. And the main difference is 4. So what is the main difference value here? 2. So here the main difference is 2. So 9805. So 9805 plus 2. Plus 2. So its value is 9807. So we have to add this characteristic and mantissa value. So 0 plus 0.9807. So it is equal to 0.9807. And now we have to find the third value, that is 0.785 logarithmic value. So its characteristic is bar 1. Its characteristic is bar 1. Now here we have to take the 4 digits, but here we have only 3 digits. Those are 785. 785. Now take the first 2 digits as first part and the second digit as the second part. That's it. We have to know its value. So see in logarithmic book 78. 78 is here. This is first part, our first part. And 5. 5 is here. 78. 78 and 5. And 5. So what is the coincidence value? 8949. 8949. And we need not add the main difference value because there are only 3 digits. So there is no 4th digit. So we need not add the main difference value. So here we got the mantissa as 0.8949. And we have to add bar 1 plus 0.8949. That is equal to bar 1.8949. 8949. So this is our logarithmic value of 0.785. Okay. So in this way we can find the logarithmic values of the given values. So thank you.